Hey, what's up everyone, this is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2019 CLS 53 AMG. This one's a Selenite Gray. Under the hood is a inline-six 3-liter turbo pushing out 429 horsepower and 384 pounds of torque. This one has the exterior lighting package, which comes with intelligent lighting system and adaptive high beam assist. Also has 19-inch 5-spoke AMG wheels, turbo 4MATIC badging. We've also got a AMG black Napa leather with red stitching, sunroof. We've got a blacked out trim right here, rear spoiler, CLS 53 AMG badging. Popping up tailgate here, we've got a fresh set of all-season floor mats, fold down rear seats. Coming alongside here, we do have a blind spot assist. We also have driver's assistance package equipped with this vehicle, Burmeister sound system, heated and cooled seats, power windows, heated steering wheel. We've got our steering wheel controls with our touchpad system here, paddle shifters for extra performance, navigation, a surround view backup camera, dual climate controls, wireless charging, keyless go, our command center. We've also got a metal weave interior trim. This vehicle has 11,955 miles, all Carfax and service records available. If you'd like to view more photos of the CLS 53, check out feldmanimports.com.